y'all, and welcome to today's video. Damn, this lighting makes me look tired. It's because it's from the top. I'm still figuring that stuff out. Peanuts, but I don't know if you can see, but my cat's sitting here and licking herself. This is not the appropriate time to bath. Ow! No! Stop! Anyway, today I'm gonna be unboxing. I'm just gonna call it unboxing because, hey, those things are popular. I'm gonna be unboxing these little Crazi Erasers. They were a thing a while back, but they have since disappeared. But then there's these, like, places have this bunch of stuff, so now they're going on clearance. As you can see here, they used to be 7 rand, now they're 1 rand each. So yeah, today I saw them in the clearance bin at the store, and I was like, I want a bunch, so I bought like 22. Yeah, I couldn't find my old ones because I wanted to see what I already had and stuff, but I'm expecting a lot of repeats. At least this is one of those collectibles that, you know, it's, if it repeats, it's still a functional thing. A lot of ASMR in this video. So the first one, Crazi Erazi. Oh, it's a little coloring book. I don't know if this camera's gonna focus on it or not. It's a coloring book. So yeah, it's an eraser. These are erasers. They're so cute, and they're shaped like stationery. I think all of them are on the back here. Don't know if you can say. So yeah, that's all the Crazi Erasers. So the first one of 22 that I bought. I don't know how many exactly. It says collect them all. I forgot how many there was. Because as I say, this was a thing a while back. Peanut, stop scratching yourself. Okay, she's bathing in here. I don't know if you can see her. Say hi, Peanut. Ooh, that's my baby. Hello. Yeah, okay, go sit back there. She takes up most of my desk space. Anyway, okay, the next one. It's a 12-pack of Norse color. Like, it's a little thingy. I don't know if you can say it. This thingy won't focus. Can you see now? Yeah, there we go. See, it's just, it's an eraser, but it's just got the little printed piece on it. So that's 20 to go. Ooh. Yeah, I just grabbed like a bunch. So 1 rand. Stop scratching. No. Oh, it's another, like a run repeat after the other. It's another one. Another Norse color pencil set. Crazi Erazi mini eraser. I love these. I'm obsessed with these, as you can see. I already, when this was a thing, I already bought a bunch, and I put them in like a little lunchbox. So I couldn't find those. I really wanted to see which ones I already had, because I forgot. And I don't really like to use them unless there's a repeat. So with these, I'll use the one, and I'll keep the one because I'm a hoarder of collectibles. Peanut, your tail's in my way. Okay, so here's the next one. Number 20 is these bright, it's colored paper. It's a little ream of colored paper. I really need to look at the camera, not over there. Okay, next we have, ooh, can't get it open. Ooh, this is probably going to be terrible audio. I'm so sorry. But, oh, we have a line, a 2-square faint and margin book. That's a little bookie. These are all erasers, so these are the nicest ones to get, because those have a little printed piece of shininess on them, so that you have to take off first and then you can use it. But with these ones, it's all eraser. It's like a different color eraser here with the red and then the black and then the white in the middle. So it's like molded to only be eraser. I love those. They have more functionality than the other ones. Oh, this, I haven't got this one yet. I already know. I'll check later and then I'll let y'all know. But I don't have this multi-tag. It's press stick. It's a little press stick one. I do not know if any of these are in focus. They're just cute. So how many are I even on now? I don't even know. Okay, there's just empty packets, empty packets. Next, Crazi Erazi. Oh, again, this is the third one. The third Norse card. I didn't really feel these things to see if there would have been similar ones. I just grabbed a few because I saw it when I was checking out at the store. So, I don't even know if you can hear me properly because of all the crackling of these things. Oh, another multi-tack. So now if I didn't have one before, I have two now. I'm gonna have an abundance of erasers after this. You know, just waving her tail here. That's her tail, so just ignore it. Anywhere where I'm working, my cat will be. Sometimes she's even on my sketchbooks while I'm sketching. Okay, this one doesn't want to open. Open up. Oh, there we go. I'm getting a lot of repeats with this. I suppose that's normal, I guess. I got another butterfly ream of colored paper. It's weird. And they all feel like they're kind of flat. Like they're these flat ones. But that's mostly what they had there. I say it's not a thing anymore. It used to be you spend a certain amount of the store and then you get one. They used to run that at my local craft store too. Oh, this is a new one. I don't have this one either. Well, from my previous batch. It's a big color twisty crayons. I mentioned these in one of my previous videos. Link in the description. I feel like I'm too close to the camera, like eternal forehead. Okay, next one. Next one. Oh, another multi-tack. Another multi-tack. I already have a stack of just eraser rubber here. And some of them I can actually use because I have one for my collection. I love functional collectibles like these. Ah, looks like this is a very boring unboxing because it's just another ream of colored paper. At least it has function. Be nice if these were like little actual products. Like if that was a bunch of a stack of little colored paper and there's some Pritz and Koki pens and all. Those would be nice. Like a little Koki pen. Imagine that! Like it's a small Koki pen like this. Another one of these. Yeah, this is just a stack of repeats. At least I can erase with them. A lot of people have this pet peeve where they're like, don't erase on the corners of my eraser. Well, now I have all the corners. So I can have that precision erase. Ooh, this is a new one. I wanted this one so bad. Oh, highlighters. It's a little 4-pack of highlighters. I wanted this one when they were a thing. I got them now. So I can get tears in my eyes. Okay, so it looks like... Oh, I still have a few left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 left. Okay. Let's go for it. 8 left. Ooh, that one. I hate it when these packagings do that thing. You know that thing where you pull this thing and then it goes like, oh. I really hope I can use this. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's not one of these, but as I say, these are the best ones to get. It's another little book. You can actually write your name on there. Am I dumb? Like, can't focus this thing properly. It is done with my phone camera. You can write your name on there and your subject and your class and your year. But these are nice ones to have repeated because they're just eraser. But I'm glad I got those highlighters though. Oh, I'm so happy about this. Ooh, knocked the camera there, okay. Okay, next one. Gonna take all this plastic with me to college to get recycled, because these plastic packet thingies, I'm pretty sure they're recyclable. I'm not sure. I'm still learning about all that stuff, because, yeah. Okay, this is also a new one. It's a little flip file. Plastic sleeve file. It's also got that coating on it, that printed piece of stuff, but yeah, it's an eraser, no? Woo! The stack is falling over! Yes, okay. Next one. Also flat. Most of them were flat. I do remember last time I got this little art line marker. Loved it. It's also all eraser with like a little label on it. Another one of that right after each other. That is weird. The same thing in a row. That's the second time that happens in this video. Peanut's just asleep. She's just sleeping. Oh, it looks like another repeat. Is it another repeat? Have I gotten this? Oh no, it's yeah. Yeah, I just didn't see that there was a different cover, like different coloring book cover on this one side, but it's another one as like the first one. Oh, this is a smaller. I hope it's not another print multi-tack. It's another print multi-tack. Seriously, with the print multi-tacks. I think I'm just gonna take some of those and my friends will be like, hey, you want an eraser? I only paid R1 for it, so. Ah, no way. No frickin' way. It's another print multi-tack. What is, like, is this the one that people never got? Now everybody just be getting them after the whole thing's over? Okay, so I have two left. Let's hope it's not another print multi-tack. It feels like this one is. It low-key feels like this one is. And this one won't open. Ah! Okay, there we go. After a little freak out, I don't even choose. Oh, it's the St. Norris color pencil one. Okay, well, still an eraser. And the last one is another repeat. It's another ream of colored paper. Oh, well, it's an eraser. Eraser. Okay, let's see what we got here. Peanut, what do we have? Whoa. A stack of... First stack. Like... And then there's just a bunch here that has fallen over. But one I'm really excited about is these highlighters. I mean, come on, look at them. They're so cute. And you can detach them, I think. Yeah. They're detachable. Like, you can have little individual erasers. So I don't know if I'm going to do that yet, but I'll see. Okay, so let's check the numbers here. How many repeats did we get? A lot of multi-tack. A lot of multi-tack. Actually, not that much. Well, compared to the amount that I... But let's see who wins on the repeats. Yeah, definitely multi-tack wins. Multi-tack's already 5. I only got one set of these highlighters. 3 of these, that are very nice to have, because they're the little book thingies. 2 of these flip files, one after the other. And then the first one that I got, and one somewhere around the middle there, was these coloring books. One of these twisty crown things, my childhood. And then 5 print multi-tack. Oh, should have really made these little products. That would be so cute. Yes, I'm obsessed with staying here. I realize. And then we have 4 reams of color paper. You see, reams and reams of color paper. I wish there were just little pages of paper. Ooh, sorry, it's knocked the table there. And then 4 color pencils. There we go. Okay, so that has been my little unpackaging boxing thing. I still want to find out if I can recycle these little packages that the Crazi Erazis came in, because we're running campaigns like that at college. So I'll just ask the group that's running that campaign. So I'm doing animal pets and like stray animals, helping those out, helping organizations that help stray animals in my city. So because we had to notice, we had to see what was the problem, and then we had to figure out a way to help make a difference. And then we're also getting marked on it. So one of the groups are doing recycling, the other is doing water shortages, and we're doing animal cruelty. And then there's one for children outreach, helping children, orphans. So yeah, it's going in the recycle bin. But yeah, here is all my erasers. Thank you for watching my video. As you can see here, they're all lined up. All the erasers and Peanut. Peanut. Say bye to the people. Bye!